HeyGen is an AI avatar generating tool, but for some reason, most videos on YouTube only talk about their cloning and translation features. Don't get me wrong, these are great, but I want to do a complete HeyGen review. So I'm going to explain all the capabilities of this AI tool to you. In addition, I'll give you a quick step-by-step HeyGen tutorial, which will get you comfortable with HeyGen, all in just a couple minutes. All right, without further ado, let's see how to get HeyGen and how much it'll cost you. You can sign up for an account completely free. It's nothing difficult either. Just provide your email, answer a few questions, and you're all set. The free version offers 60 ready-to-use avatars requiring only written text or recording to animate them. You have the flexibility to experiment with various avatars and voices, tweaking your settings to your liking. That said, if you're interested in creating a HeyGen AI avatar with your face, you'll need to purchase a subscription. There are several different subscription plans available, primarily determined by the number of users accessing the account. The creator plan caters to individuals, allowing you to customize the number of credits you receive. Each credit corresponds to a minute of video. However, it's worth noting that HeyGen's pricing is quite significant, starting at a minimum of $24 per month billed annually. While monthly payment plan options exist, they're even pricier. Anyhow, an AI avatar with your face, which is part of the HeyGen Instant Avatar feature, is a high-quality option that can be generated to match user preferences. By default, it's possible to play with an instant avatar based on HeyGen CEO. The quality of the avatars is so good, it's almost like they're coming to live in your house. There are also other features. One of those is photo avatars. Unfortunately, it's limited to 2D, often appearing somewhat lacking in vitality and creativity. While it's possible to design a unique 2D avatar and use it, the platform doesn't offer an extensive customization option here. Users are typically confined to either utilizing a simplistic image generator or uploading their own image. It's fair to say that this option ranks as the least impressive among the available choices. I was much more impressed with the Studio avatar, which is very similar to what Synthesia offers. I love that it could create custom outfits for avatars, as well as choose from 152 avatar options. And to make things even easier, HeyGen has a straightforward guide for each avatar, so I definitely recommend checking them out. Now that we got an overview of avatar creation, let's see what kind of extras there are. One of these is the streaming avatar feature, which enables the integration of HeyGen instant avatars with ChatGPT. It's still in beta, but it already allows lifelike conversations with the AI.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Another feature worth noting is the knowledge base, which allows users to adjust the tone of AI responses. It doesn't affect the voice itself, only the content of the responses is influenced. While this capability is undeniably intriguing, the current application appears rather restricted, resembling more of a proof of concept rather than a fully realized tool.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
Now looking at AI voice capabilities, I was expecting a bit more, to be honest. While there are a lot of voices to choose from, there's no option to generate one yourself or even clone a voice. On the bright side, the database is extensive with many voices in many languages. Next, let's see how we can use an AI video generator. To make things clear and simple, I'll walk you through the entire process by providing a HeyGen tutorial. There are two options to start the AI video generation. The first one is by selecting a template, while the second one is by starting with an AI script generation. Let's click on the template for now. As you can see, there are a lot of them to choose from. There are also categories right here at the top. You should be able to find the one that you need unless you're going with something very unique and specific. In that case, you probably want to go for the AI script option. There, you'll be able to select either topic input or URL input. I've typed in how to stress less and achieve more. Then there is language selection. There aren't just a couple to choose from. I was pleasantly surprised here. Anyhow, I chose English and then also picked a professional tone. Then there's this field for typing in additional info. It's not required, but I suggest adding something here to get the result you want faster. So I typed in using meditation to reduce daily stress. Yeah, that's about it. Let's click on Generate Script and see what HeyGen AI will give us. So the script was generated in just seconds. I'm not going to read it right now, and we'll just click on Create Video. That lands us in the studio where our video was created. Let's listen to the voice first.
In today's fast-paced world, it's becoming increasingly difficult to avoid stress.
All right, not too bad. If you don't like what your HeyGen avatar is saying though, you can always edit the text using the GPT script writer. Now, if you don't like the voice, you can change it by clicking right here. A new window with more voice options will pop up. The voices are generated by 11 Labs API, which is a good thing since 11 Labs is a really quality AI tool, especially when it comes to voice generation. If the given voice options don't satisfy your needs, you can import an API key from 11 Labs or Element, which is another text-to-speech AI generator. To do that, simply click on this button in the top right corner. Let's see the difference between the ones we've got already. Let's listen to Tony first.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
And now let's compare it to the premium voice of Douglas.
Hi, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
As you see, there are a lot of voices, whether you're willing to pay for premium voices or limit yourself to free ones. There is one more feature that I'm excited to show you. It's a video translator. You can find it on the left side menu. Once you've clicked on it, simply drop a video file you want to get translated. I'll use the AI video I've generated with HeyGen. Once the upload is complete, what's left is to select the target language. There are over 25 choices at the moment. Let's see how this turned out.
Stress ist ein häufiges Problem. Es gibt eine Lösung.
To be honest, that's kind of impressive. You can probably trick some of your friends into thinking you speak a language that you actually don't. All right, that covers my HeyGen review and tutorial. Overall, it's not a difficult tool, and I answered most of the questions surrounding how to use HeyGen AI. It proved to be a quality AI tool with some top-notch AI avatar options and some nice additional features like video translation. That said, HeyGen is quite expensive. By the way, if you want to check out our 11 Labs versus Synthesia AI versus Murph AI or Jasper AI review videos, they're right here. And for our other content, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.